It's all about effort right now para sa Ladies Tags. At itong mga numerong to, ang huling kwento kung paano nila naagaw yung nakalipas na seconds.
Well, dito sa numbers, we'll see Coach Ronnie, lamang ang San Sebastian pagdating sa atake, hindi nalalayo ang blocking at ang kanilang service. And I think for both teams, what's good is that they were able to maintain yung kanilang errors. Halos pantay lang in the previous set where they both committed 7. Pero ang naging lamang ng San Sebastian ay naunahan nila itong TIP.
At naniniwala ako na yung experience at composure had a lot to do about that still of a win in the second set by Baste. I felt that pinaalala rin ng head coach ng TIP, they were a little tight dun sa mga crucial points. And eventually, si Labiano, Villegas, combined dito with Guillermo to be able to push itong San Sebastian to be much better, especially in the last part of that second set.
That's true. And on top of yung scoring skills, yung mga players na umuopensa, ang isang kanina binanggit ko rin, at sinasabi ko nga dito kay Coach Mac while we were on break, si Soltones is really a leader on the floor. Dahil kahit na hindi scoring ang kanyang position, she's playing the libero position, talagang makikita mo, ginaguide niya bawat isa sa mga teammates at iniikutan niya para sabihin ang kanilang tamang pwesto.
Tama yung binanggit mo, parang nire-relax niya yung mga kasama niya, di ba?
Iba yung ganun pag merong ganung present sa loob ng court.
Tingnan mo nga naman, puntos na ng TIP.
Swerte.
Oo, kita mo?
May swerte talaga.
Oo. Napanood mo na ba yung Ant-Man?
Hindi pa nga.
Ay, sobrang ganda.
Yun ang narinig ko, kaya yan na gagawin ko in the next few days.
Huwag kang alis after nung end ng film, merong...
Kailangan ko hintayin.
Pero ang problema, umalis kami after the first one, meron pa palang pangalawa.
Hintayin ko yan.
Oo. Pero ito, huwag nating antayin. Dahil itong Baste ay matagal na nag-aantay ng kanilang unang panalo. Patlayogan Maderasa, meron pang ibang plano para dito sa TIP. And they are looking at another heroic performance to try and duplicate their 5-set win that happened laban sa Dasmariñas, because right now TIP is beleaguered down by 2 sets laban dito sa wala pang panalong San Sebastian. Maderasa blocked, tinala sa kay Labiano sa likuran. Oops, masyado malapit. Arabe has done an excellent job doon sa kanyang dahil sa pwestong yan, sa gitna.
Pero yan ang kailangan para in any rotation, dahil ang kanilang top scorer na si Labiano, syempre mapupunta rin yan sa likod. Currently with 11 points na itong si Labiano, sinusundan siya ni Villegas with 9, Dalisay with the 5.
If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Pag naalala ko talaga yung Shakey's, talagang kailangan may ternong yan.
Beer, Mojo's?
Mojo's, oo. Saka...
Chicken and Mojo's, sarap.
Ay, wow. Sarap. Akunya from the back. Lamang ng isang Baste. Backset, nagawa ng paraan ni Dalisay. Sarmiento steadies herself. Maderasa rising.
Nagkabanggaan. Soltones.
You also have to marvel at the conversion of Soltones from an attacker to a libero.
Oo. Naalala ko dati, Coach Ronnie, nung kaka-introduce pa lang ng libero position dito sa Pilipinas, a lot of the players na convert na libero had, quite a difficult time accepting na hindi ka napapalo, talagang depensa ka na lang.
Baka yung pasok-labas lang nanibago lahat
Oo, diba? Pero ngayon talaga kita mo that the system has really embraced itong posisyon na to, and we really see the value of having a libero.
I believe it made the game more exciting.
Definitely, kasi talagang sa bawat rotation, meron kang isang defensive expert.
At sigit sa lahat, alam mo, it opened the doors for smaller players to have an impact spot sa kanilang koponan, di ba? Dahil kadalasan ba hinahanap? Matangkad, malakas,
may
tumalon,
build na prototype.
Pero ngayon, sino bang mas mabilis kumilos? Then those who are lower to the ground. Di ba? Yung point of gravity na tinatawag. Oops.
At maliksi kumilos.
Tama. Maarabe, Villegas playing their best games of the Collegiate Conference as TIP's defense once again. 4-minute violation tayo nakitang naitawag para dito sa Engineers. They're lapsing into a lot of errors, pero nang binilang naman natin sa dulo ng second set.
Halos pantay lang.
Halos pantay lang.
Ito,
Acuna.
si Acuna kailangan ng kasangga, no? Kailangan niya ng katulong
Alam
para
mo,
sa PIP.
Alam mo, Ann, dun sa report kanina ni Miyaka, sinabi niya nag-extra work si Julina Labiano.
Oh, it shows.
It really shows in today's game. Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Kung yung mga teammates ay uuwi na, magpapahinga na, sometimes players stay longer, tapos work on their skill sets.
At yung isang binanggit ni Miyaka nga kanina, no, Labiano worked on her wrist. And I think that's why
Ayan, no?
sa laro niya ngayon, kaya niyang mag-vary ng kanyang opensa. Meron siyang off-speed, meron
Iba-iba,
siyang,
no?
meron siyang malakas na palo. Dahil kapag maganda yung, pag malakas ang wrist mo at may control ka, kaya mo lahat yan.
At yan ang tangka ngayon ni Julina Labiano and Gressel Soltones together with the rest of the Lady Stags. As another service error, the Rails TIP's chances in tying this third set at 6 points apiece. Instead, they fall behind by 2 points. Arabe, together with Villegas, have been really efficient para kay Coach Clint Palazzo serving. Block set, single block, yun nangyari, Guillema. Uy, tinula. Nakita mo nga naman, Di ba lang magaling? Peace sign galing dito sa San Sebastian. Bakit nga ba hindi? 8-5, lamang ang baste laban sa TAP. Dito po sa ating third set. Pero itong kupunan ng TIP, kung ikaw ang San Sebastian, if you let your guard down, babalikan ka nitong mga to.
Oo, kaya kailangan, hindi magre-relax. At yun ang kadalasang sakit ng mga teams. If you've won the first 2 sets, you relax in the third. So, Coach Clint making sure na hindi mangyayari yun sa Lady Stags.
Tama ba yan, Miyaka?
Yes, alam mo, sabi nga kanina dito sa TIP, hindi naman daw talaga madaling solusyonan yung lapses pagdating sa inconsistency at dun sa organization at chemistry nila. Kaya naman during their break coming into this game, minabuti nilang mag-tune up games kasama ang dalawang other teams kagaya ng San Beda para daw matuto sila kung paano makarecover kaagad pagdating sa mga errors at maging composed pagdating sa mga tough endings. Kagaya na lang nitong game na ito. Sabi nga ni Coach Boy, naniniwala siya makakabalik pa rin sila dito sa larong ito dahil madami daw sila natutulan over the week. Balik sa inyo.
Ganun ang ginagawa ng mga ibang teams at ibang coaches. Pag mahaba yung in-between games, lumalaban sila dun sa ibang mga schools that have not participated or not joining this tournament.
That's right. And some you'd find out would also have scrimmage games against men.
Tama. Hindi lang po sa larong volleyball. Sa tennis, nangyayari yan. Sa basketball, nangyayari din yan.
It's always good, because the challenge is different.
Correct.
And yung lakas din, iba.
Oo.
Yung bilis.
At yung hirap.
Oo, hirap nun.
Kasi you always want to make it hard before it turns easy. Kasi ganun yung laro eh. Pag masyadong madali yung preparasyon, chances are kapos yan pagdating sa laro.
At hindi mo alam kung paano i-handle.
Magre-react, oo. Julina Labiano putting in the extra hours, reaping the dividends of those extra hours, harvesting point after point, and making sure that San Sebastian is in a prime position to nail their first win. Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. And on cue, Julina Labiano serving for the Lady Stags.
Woo! Swerte!
Wrist action ulit. 10-6, Lady Stags, timeout. TIP, down by 4, are the Lady Engineers.
Hindi na kasi tayo nagbabasa ng bola. Sumasabit na yung bola, hindi pa natin nakukuha. May tao dito sa binong bola. Diba? Bibitaw na ba tayo o ano ba? Hindi yan! Isa lang yung bola, hindi pa natin nakikita kasi nandun. Isip muna tayo. Isip muna. Hindi ko pa yung agad yung isipin mo. Nag-defensive pa lang yung kalaban natin. Diba? Yung blocking natin ayusin yun. Tapos yung reset ko ayusin yun. Hindi pa naman ako ang score na yung pagkaganyan.
Coach Boy Paril emphasizing reception. Instead of being too much of a forward thinker, sa kanilang pag-atake agad, hindi ka na nga makaka-atake kung hindi ka makakasagot. Labiano in double digits para sa San Sebastian. Excellent timing coming from Catherine Villegas. Alam mo, masasabi natin na yung first set significant. Kasi panalo na rin ng TIP dapat eh.
Tapos nahabol pa
Nahabol.
ng San Sebastian.
Actually, yung first 2 sets karagdan in favor of TIP.
Oh, but Labiano and Dalisay looked at each other. Nagulat si Labiano.
Maderazo is a very strong attacker. Kung makikita natin dito, tignan natin kung bibigyan siya ng mas maraming bola. Itong si Verano, the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League, Axel Acuña, Soltones once again. Pero hindi siya masaya din sa kanyang reception. Pero si Labiano, pinasaya si Soltones dahil sinalba niya yung huling puntos, scramble sa floor defense ng TAP. Problems sa depensa.
Etong si Labiano, bumawi agad mula doon sa kaninang miscommunication nila nung nagland yung bola.
Defense is ever so vital, no? Nakikita natin at tina-highlight natin yung mga lumilipad, yung mga magaling pumalo. But in the end, it boils down to defense.
Yes.
Both individual at yung team defense na tinatawag. And again, Verano, second time this match scoring off a dump. De La Cruz has been on reserve for quite a while, but now makes her re-entry in Dilf Espinosa. Let's see if this pride of Candaba, Pampanga will make an impact dito sa kampanya ng TIP. Ang haba ni Acuña, no?
Oo, and for an outside hitter, matangkad siya. I mean, if you look at the lineup of the team, he's one of the taller ones, and you think,
Uy!
as Maderazo embraced yung isang poste natin dito dahil masyadong malayo yung set. Si Acuña, yung
Ang haba
height,
ng legs, ang haba
Oo.
ng limbs, no?
ang height pang center.
Advantage naman yan para sa kanya.
Oo, definitely.
Another 5-point lead for the Lady Stags. Villegas. Maderazo getting another setup from Verano. Oops. Miscommunication here for the offense ng Stags. Layog looking for a check ball.
None. That one is out.
Don't look now. San Sebastian with the commanding 6-point lead. Body language ng TAP hindi kagandahan. At yan ang ayaw ni coach, ng kanilang head coach, si Boy April.
Diba? Ang kailangan lang dito, i-relax natin yung sarili natin. Huwag natin pilitin yung score natin, biglang dumami, hindi pwede. Diba? Kailangan isa-isa, pag-uwi natin, isa-isa. Diba? Sobrang dami natin i-error kung mga tayo score. Isang visible pa, i-error pa natin, visible na. Diba? Sige, ano ba?
Coach Boy Paril probably frustrated right now with the things that he has been seeing. Dahil alam niya mas kaya nilang maglaro na mas mabuti dito at mas maayos.
Pero Coach Ronnie, minention mo kanina yung body language and that's really, really different from
Kita
the
yan.
first 2 sets.
Kita yan. Ultra fast LTE for happy family which speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for slow as $9.99. And Verano says, take this, take that. Third point of a dump coming from Verano keeps them still in the hunt. Wala sa muli. 14-9. 9 serving 14. Looking for more firepower itong TIP. Umalo pa rin si Nika Dalisay. Liama backset. Ginawa ng paraan. Dalisay. Verano. Binigyan si Acuña. Oops.
Oh, baba. No set from Guillema.
No chance to get that ball in. Hugot na ng hugot si Coach Boy Paril dito para sa TIP, trying to look for different combinations to be able to help out the cause of the Engineers. And Sebastian needs to be wary of the fact that meron pang laman na fight back itong TIP. Guillema, back set.
Oh,
Sinamban looking for a check ball. It will not come.
ngayon hindi pwedeng mag-relax and mag-let go itong San Sebastian. Even if they're up, nakita natin what TIP is capable of.
Kanina 6, ngayon naging 3. Ang kalamangan ng Baste, Guillema. Going to Labiano. Acuña. To Maderazo, misfit coming from Maderazo. Pero ang ganda umere, no?
Ang ganda. Ang taas to balon.
Ang tagal ko nang pinapangarap yan eh.
Makatalo ng mataas.
Oo. Kaya maski boses ko, di tumaas eh. Ganda panuurin. Parang dati si Angela Benting nung kino-cover ko pa nung nasa Adams. Tuwan-tuwa ako sa kanya dahil pag tumalon, hindi lang pataas yung parang naglilin. Ganda panuurin. San Sebastian 15, PIP 11. Player wearing jersey number 11 serving for San Sebastian. So Tonis once again laying tough on defense. Lapiano, sobra yan.
He was under the ball. At alam niya eh.
Brogue serving 15. On deck to serve para dito sa TIP. Ito na si Christine Jane Maderazo. Maderazo for the yellow and black. Guillema. Lapiano. Checked. Guillema once again. This time to Dalisay. Wala sa tamang defensive position. Ang TIP, they give up at 16 point para dito sa San Sebastian. And San Sebastian will head into the second technical timeout lamang ng 4 na punto.
Mga istoryang dapat mabunyag.
Ano kaya ang ginagawa nila Kapitan at Kagawad? Ayon sa COA, hindi nagsumite ng plano sa ahensya. Ako po si Malu Manahas. At ito ang investigative documentary.
Tayo po'y muling nagbabalik sa Shakey's B-League. Abangan po sa Miyerkules, 1 p.m. Lady Tigers versus the Benilde Blazers. Ito pa rin sa GMA News TV. Of course, we welcome our Ultrafan family of the game, ang Fidel family. Rhoda, Mariel, Jeric, at John Marvin. Salamat sa inyong pagsama sa amin. May face pump pa. Okay, brother. Go, go.
Ganun siya ka nag-e-enjoy sa game na ito.
Laban. TAP lumalaban pa rin. Down by 4. Lapiano. Drop. Good anticipation by Verano. Acuña pumalo. Dalisay covering down the line. Oh my.
Sinamban. Alanganin.
Hindi siya nagkapag-adjust, ano?
Oo, from the back. But still they have the lead.
It's becoming tighter. Kanina, Kalamangan, 6 at 14-8. Baba ulit. Santa Rita, new player para dito sa Lady Stags. Yof Arabe and Villegas. 6-point lead trimmed to only 2 at 16-14. New setter para dito sa San Sebastian. No timeouts yet para dito sa Lady Stags. Malamig pa si Crisostomo. But she needs to warm up quickly. Oops, narong foot si Acuña. At hindi nakapunta sa coverage si Dalisay. And now it's only a 1-point lead from a high of 6 para dito sa Lady Stags. You cannot celebrate too early. Because before you know it, nandiyan na sa pintuan mo.
Tama. At itong TIP dinadaan sa tiyaga. Hindi nag-give up here in the third.
You have to keep in mind that TIP has already shown that they can fight back from being 2 sets down. They were 6 points behind. Now they have tied this match here in the third set at 16 points apiece. Chief responsible for them, itong si Layug. Fitzfan family in pizza has got to be Shakey's brother De La Cruz.
Kanina sinet ni Crisostomo yun. Nagkagulo sila doon.
Good save coming from Solcones. Verano goes to Acuña. Ball still live. Piano. Off speed. Sarmiento. Acuña.
Oh! At may kasama rin talagang swerte sa pagsabit sa net.
Talk about a huge turnaround. Down at 14-8.
Now, San Sebastian has to remain
Grabe.
composed habang binabawi ang kalamangan sa TIP.
Ang TIP has won 9 of the last 11 rallies. Crisostomo pumuntos para dito sa San Sebastian to finally take away the efficiency of De La Cruz doon sa service line. Ang dami ng puntos doon ni
De La
De La Cruz.
Cruz.
So,
Very consistent
ang
kasi.
bangis mag-serve. Hindi nagsa-service error, ano? Ito yung isa sa hugot ni Coach Clint Palazzo, Joy Santarita. Verano. Oop.
Oh,
I thought that was a mishit.
it was, pero hindi naka-adjust ang depensa ng San Sebastian.
Tignan mo nga naman, pasign of the cross by itong si Pasyon. Para magpasalamat. Answered prayer for TIP. 18, serving 17. The shoe is on the other foot. Crisostomo almost.
Oo, for the
Crisostomo does score.
making her minutes worth it. Pero yun ang hirap kasi pagka masyadong dikit sa net ang bola. No, luckily, Crisostomo is a frontliner.
18 all, third set. Ang ganda nung basa roon ng TIP.
Yung mga mahihinang bola ang pumupuntos ngayon. Yung mga mishit.
Our defense of San Sebastian has to be better.
It's all about movement. Kung makita mo hindi naman pinalo ng malakas, you have to be able to adjust.
They cannot stay at the same spot. Kasi gumagalaw yung
Oo.
bola. The official ball of the Shakey's Bilig is Mikasa. Acuña with that nice dig. Dump by Verano finally answered. Masyadong dikit sa net. Sinampan running out of space. TIP 2 points ahead. Coach Clint Palazzo calls timeout as they have lost the lead. A lead that stood as high as 6 points at 14-8.
Hindi ka mabibitin kung naka-ready ka. Ang layo ng lamang natin, oh. Nag-e-error lang tayo na nag-e-error, eh. Isugan nyo naman maayos. Ano papaluin nito? Baba naman yung niraraan mo.
San Sebastian was looking to sweep the challenge of TIP.
Oh, tama yung timing eh. He was already there, pero hindi niya na tamaan ng maayos ang bola.
Guillema makes her re-entry. Crisostomo, I feel, did her job well. Given the limited floor time na naibigay sa kanya. Acuña and De La Cruz have really served well para dito sa TIP.
Oo, but right now, there's a bigger task para dito sa Lady Stags who's left on the floor. Kailangan nilang pumuntos ng 3 to tie it with TIP. And if they wanna close this game in straight sets, they have to do it now.
And their aspiration to close this match in straight sets seems to be in jeopardy dahil naniniwala ako yung floor defense nila nagka-problema.
Oo. It's slowly slipping away and definitely itong opensa ng TIP taking advantage of yung nagiging problema nila sa depensa.
Verano going to Madaraso. Madaraso with a drop shot. Guillema. Kusinamban, block. Villegas itinash yung bola. Nakapalo pa rito ang San Sebastian. Verano with another dump. Guillema jump set for Sinamban. Sinamban scores.
Sinamban, sabi niya, if you're all there at the back, madala nga dito sa harap.
Last push for San Sebastian here in the third. TIP looking good to extract a set away from the hands of the Lady Stags. San Sebastian was in full throttle earlier. Lamangan ng 6. Madrazo once again misfiring.
Overcooks that one.
Points are getting tighter. Anxiety level is rising likewise. Mararamdaman mo yan minsan sa sobrang gusto mo.
Sa ngayon, nakikita natin kalmado pa rin ang TIP. They are concentrating on getting a good pass. And they do.
Double block laban kay Layog. 3 straight points. Sabi mo, kailangan 4 na sunod. Tatlo na ito.
Oo, ito na yun.
$21 para sa Stags, 22 para sa TIP. Sarmiento, service reception. Maderazo against 2. Checked. Good dig by Soltones. Sinamban. Tumalog. Sinamban score. Sinamban ties. The third set at 22 points.
Sinamban has made a lot of difference. Kung maalala natin, siya yung pumuntos kanina with an off-speed shot and that spelled and that dictated the what happened after that. Yung mga puntos na nakukuha nila.
We also have to give credit dito kay Guillema. Was located Sinamban time and again. Marahil nakatulong din yung bahagyang pahinga, no?
Oo. Actually, minsan hinuhugot ng mga coaches yung kanilang players so that they'll have a better perspective of what's happening in the game.
But that ball was long sa serve ni Dalisay.
Sayang.
Tama yung sinasabi mo. A perspective is so different. The perspective is so different when you're inside and when you're on the sideline watching. Guillema jump set. Masyadong dikit. My goodness.
Woo!
Service error by Dalisay. And a fault is set by Guillema. 2 set points TIP has laban sa San Sebastian.
Para pa rin. Ipasok.
Focus tayo.
Harap. Pag 5 ka dito sasabayan yan doon ipatong mo na lang to sa 3, sa kaliwa ni Brad. Ito safety mo dito.
Closing out time for Verano and the rest of the Lady Engineers. San Sebastian was safely ahead by 6 at 14-8. Since that time, they've only scored 8 points since. Samantalang itong TIP, merong nagawang 16 puntos. On the back, Labiano off speed. Nahulog ni De La Cruz para kay Sarmiento. Miranda free ball, back set, checked. Itinaas ni Dalisay para kay Sinamban. Maderazo Verano, back set. Woo! Excellent finish by De La Cruz.
And nadaan sa tiyaga ng TIP itong third set. They scored when it mattered.
At ang ating talaan in the first 3 sets, nagtapos sa pare-parehong scores. Mitch De La Cruz serving so well. Late entry in the third set. Game changer para dito sa TIP. We will head into the fourth set with San Sebastian ahead by a single set.